So video remains one of the top performing creatives that you can include in your ads. And many have asked us how to use videos in your Facebook ads to effectively engage and convert your target audience. There's several ways that you can go about video when it comes down to your advertising campaigns. I know that many clients of ours have tested different like long form videos to short form videos. You can have videos in different formats that are optimized for different placements as well. So I do want to hop into Facebook Ads Library and just show some examples of some nice video ads that advertisers are currently using for their ad campaigns as of the time of recording this video. So let me share my screen here and go into Facebook Ads Library. So at the time of recording this video, we're approaching the Black Friday sales. We're already mid-November, and there are a variety of ads that you'll find in Facebook Ads Library. You can search by the keyword, which I just pulled up some Black Friday promotions to show as an example. But you can also search for specific competitors of yours so that you can spy on them and see what kind of ads they're running and kind of model after that if you find any of their ads to be inspiring, or if you like how they did it, you can go in and kind of model them as well. So let's take a look at one of these video ads here. This one is for a jeweler. So they've already, mentioned Black Friday is coming in their ad copy. So that's a good way to pique interest and to get your ad out in front of your ideal customers. Go ahead and launch your ads earlier on. And then with this, they are showing a video of one of their jewelry pieces. So if you play the video, it'll actually show you the video itself. It's a 15-second long video, so this is more of a short form video format. There we go. So this particular video gives a sneak peek on the sparkles and the shine with that particular pair of earrings, and it gets up close so that people can see it. My computer's not listening to me. Okay, so you'll also see at the end of that 15-second video, the advertiser had their logo and their website pop up at the very end after they showcase those earrings. So that's one way to make sure your brand also stays top of mind. Put some sort of branding in that video, whether it's on the intro or the outro. And then as far as the length of your video, Facebook does recommend to keep your video lengths shorter versus longer. People's attention span is dwindling. So the shorter that your video is, the more likely it is for someone to just finish watching the entire thing. Another example, let me scroll down here. That's more from the same jeweler showcasing their jewelry. Let me see if I can find a different style video to show you. More jewelry pictures and videos. Let's see. I know there's another one in here that's not a jeweler. There has to be. Sadly, my computer is not responding right now, so I'm having to wait for it to catch up. Okay, so here is another video ad. So this is an ad promoting, whoops, sorry guys. So this is an ad promoting 10 years of R&B. So this is an event, it looks like. So the biggest Black Friday sale ever, 60% off the day of the show ticket prices. Let's see, it says to sign up for the discount and be one of the first to get your tickets. So this is another example of a reel format that you can use for your video ads. These are more vertical. They're optimized to show on a cell phone, whether you're in the stories feed or the video reels feed. So let me play this ad here. So this says Black Friday sale is coming. Again, it is piquing interest long before the sale date and the event date. So this is promoting for Friday, November 29th. And that's when their tickets are officially going to drop. So they were well ahead of schedule here getting the promotion out. This video ad is also under 15 seconds long. It's 12 seconds long. And for the sake of my computer responding, I'm going to back out of this full screen mode. I'm sure there are a lot of other examples in here. So this one, we'll just do one more example. Joanna Lindenbaum. I'm not sure exactly who that is, but this is another video ad example. And it's the actual business owner speaking into the video, talking to their ideal audience, and that's like a VSL, video sales letter format. And that's another format that's very popular, especially for service-based businesses who are trying to generate leads. Video sales letters are a great way to get the attention of your ideal audience and to reel them in and ultimately convert them by having them go to a landing page that you've set up for the video ad, and then getting their information. Or you could also use the Facebook, the Inform lead ads format as well. But there's just a lot of examples here. You may want to run different formats depending on where your placements will be that you've set up. And if you're doing advanced or Advantage Plus placements, you'll want to be sure that you have created the video in a variety of formats. You'll want a one-on-one ratio to do a square video. You'll want, of course, the portrait ratio so that you can get into the reels and stories without having the text or images or the actual content of the video itself cut off at weird places. And then you'll want the landscape format, which is ideal for the Facebook news feed while people are scrolling through their feed on Facebook.